Yo, hello, my fellow brothers, my fellow sisters. Look, I have just a very fantastic thing for you. You will not believe. You will not believe this. I didn't believe in myself till I got and I knew that this is real. People are making money. Everybody likes money. Don't you like money? Hey, my friend, don't let me make a ball. Everybody likes money. I like money. You like money. So why don't you just follow me? I will show you how to make money. Genuine money. Money that you see and know that yes, I have made genuine money. Look, let me show you something. There is something that there's a web. I was just monkey branching and then I got to know that there is a site that you can enter and you can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money. Look, I'm not only talking to my African brothers. As you can see, I'm an African, but I'm not only talking about Africa. Look, America, come. Asia, come. Look, even if you're in Iceland, if you're in Europe, come through. Let me show you how to make real money, my guy. Real money. Look, if you don't believe me, watch this video. Just watch it. Enjoy. Just watch it.
Look, I'm going to make you guys a full guide, uncut, unedited, raw, for making your first $10,000 with a concept called content rewards. I need you to pay attention because this can change your goddamn life. If you're tired of slaving away at a job day and night that you hate, this can literally be your meal ticket out. And it is printing right now. This guy just made $1,300 with his video. This guy in my community made an 8-second video and made $100. In the last 24 hours, look how much money these people made. 28,000, 17, 15, 14. That's 24 hours. That's some.
Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, my pals. Now, welcome back, the whole of the world. You enjoyed the video. You saw what's happening. I mean, this is it. This is Whop. WHOP.com. Whop.com. Look, you can get it on Play Store. You can get it on your iPhone. I mean, you can get it on any of the operating apps, any phone, anything. It's incredible. It's the new world. It's the new world. Look, let me tell you something that's really fantastic about this. You don't need a website. You don't need they don't even give you any charges. Look, you don't need any domain. I mean, you don't need any hosting. You don't need any monthly subscriptions. This is something else. This is free. But you will still make your money. You will still make your money. Okay, so of course, you will ask me, what's the benefits? Why should I even do this? Look, let me tell you something. Are you a teacher? Are you a farmer? I mean, are you a carpenter? Even a carpenter. Look, let me tell you something. This is what makes the place even more exciting. It works like an Amazon, you know. You can sell your product, digital products there. If you want to actually sell other people's products, you can do that, digital products. You can do that. My guy, this is where you're going to get your money. You actually can. Are you 70 years? Are you thinking that this world is too digital for you? Don't worry about this. You can actually join it. It is very simple. Look, I used only 2 minutes to actually register. You can do that. You can also make money. You can make money. So don't think about that. Do you get it? Everybody's involved. That's why I'm saying that this is the future. This is where we are going. This is the future. So now we are here. Look, this is my dashboard. Look, everything is there. This is not fake, my guys. This is not fake. People are live, and then some are actually educating. You see, Clip Academy is the budget set. Right, people are making the money. Look, it's 87%, and you still can make the money. This is telling you that it is 80% left for it to be completed. So okay, so someone will be asking the most important thing after making all this money, where it will be paid out? Where are we going to cash out? Look, it's very simple. You see, everything is simple. It's very simple. PayPal stress away. Look, if you're in other countries, PayPal stress away. They have their payment service and it's very flexible. Very flexible. You will get it. Trust me. Just follow me. Follow my name below. And then you follow. And then you will understand. Whop service. Are you ready for it? Follow me. I'm now Moses. I'll lead you to the Red Sea. I will go to the promised land. signing out. So my link is below. Just follow me. We'll be giving you updates. We'll show you how. I'm now Moses. I'll lead you to the promised land. Don't worry. We'll go together.